Hi, Eric here with 30 by 40 Design Workshop. Today we're going to be continuing our look at the studio project and the modern barn doors. We'll start with the barn door track. This is standard barn door track. It does come in different weights, thicknesses, and depending on your door weight, you may need a heavier or a lighter section. Here, this is a standard track, and we've used it in a galvanized steel finish. It's the WeatherGuard finish. There's a stainless steel option that's an upgrade that's available by various manufacturers. Here, it just wasn't in the budget. Now, when we're setting the track, we have to pay close attention to the coursing of the siding. Remember, we have a reveal in the siding detail, and the top of the siding correlates with the top of the door unit. We also want the modern barn doors that we're installing and the track dimension to align with the top of those doors. So in a small building here where we don't have a lot of complexity, the details really matter. And so we're discussing the details here as Josh is hanging the siding, installing the siding. Now, as we come back to installing the frames here, we're using an aluminum subframe that I designed that's manufactured by a local boat shop here. And what we've recognized is that we've actually set the track a little bit too low. The adjustability in the hangers for the barn doors don't allow us enough flexibility to align the top course of it. Here you can see the tabs we've installed for the installation of the cedar verticals that will hold our siding once the barn doors are on. So now we've raised the track up. It was a pretty simple operation here, and Josh is adjusting the frames so that they're in complete alignment with the adjacent siding details there. You can see at the upper right corner, everything's in alignment, and we're ready to start installing the siding on the barn doors. Now, one of the things that we ran across here was the clearance was pretty tight, and it was a little bit tighter than what we thought. And as we look at the bottom detail, the standard door mounts, the standard track mounts, the guides, do not work with the existing detail here. I thought we had a little bit more room, and it's just not going to work. So we came up with an alternate detail. If you're interested, I'll have a downloadable package available at the end of the video that you can get. Here you can see where the alignments really do matter. You can see the siding is perfectly in alignment and the track sits just slightly above the door. Now, the original plan was to have some flashing cover the track, but I actually like the exposed track the way it is. Here's a look at the inside. You can see it's plainly revealing the construction of the exterior skin, and with both doors closed, it's a nice closing of the aperture and the lens for the seasons, which was the driving concept for the entire building. Here you can see the exterior view of it closed.